Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I am going to show you how to grow Thuja plants in containers. These are the cypress family plants, coniferous plants, and you grow nice plants. They are very, very lucky. They are considered very lucky plants. This is the flat leaf plants. I am going to show you what is the growing tips, what is the caring tips, everything, how you can transplant it. And these are nice plants. Many of the pupils keep these leaves in their books. So now today I am showing you how to transplant them. I bought them from in nursery 100 rupees. This one plant from 100 rupees in 18-inch plant. Now I am removing the growing bag from the below. So just remove the plastic bag from here and remove soil from the bottom and from the upper side, little bit of soil. Don't remove all the soil from here. And this is the I have removed the soil little bit. Now I am taking some pot, earthen pot. Here you see this is the 10-inch pot. And you see here are there must be hole at the bottom, you see, and the side holes are also here for the better drainage of water. So here I have taken some broken piece of these containers. So at the first I am putting these ones. These are the broken piece of containers, and above it I will be putting some gravels here, some chips, some chips or gravels here, in order to allow good drainage of soil from here. So this is the system of basic place, and now I am showing you what would be the actual soil mix for preparing soil mix. Take around 80% good quality garden soil, best quality garden soil. If you have any kind of garden soil you have, you can use it. And put around 20% of compost, maybe vermicompost or cow dung compost, leaf mold compost, whatever you have, you add around 20%. And in that, if you are using any clay soil, you may add around 10% of this river sand. This is the bajri or river sand, construction sand, around 10% for a good drainage of soil. It will be nice. Now mix it well, very nicely mix it well. And this is the total basic mix of the soil mix. Any of the thuja plant you can grow in that. And here I will be putting a little bit of neem cake powder. And this neem cake powder contains a lot of micronutrients, and at the same time they will control or the insect attack or white ant attack. So neem cake, and in that I am adding little bit of super phosphate, around 1 to 2 teaspoonful of super phosphate. This is chemical, but this helps in a better growth of roots. So super phosphate is also nice for growing plants. Now my soil mix is ready. Just mix it properly, and just add it in some pot. Fill it in pot around, fill half of the pot, and after filling half, around 4 inches of the pot I will be putting in this soil mix. And after that I will be planting the plant here. So transplanting the plant. So this is the around 4 inch of the base I have prepared from here with this soil mix. And now I am going to transplant the plant here, you see, and place the plant at the center. And after placing the plant at the center, and again I am putting the soil mix here. And one thing you must remember, that you have to fill up at around 8 inch of the pot, around in 10-inch pot about 2 to 3 inch should be laid vacant from at the upper side, so that you can add later on you can add some water or fertilizer, anything you want. After 6 months I will be putting some soil and push it down soil and tap it properly, so that there may not be any, should not be any of this air space here. So this is the potting here. Now you have to water the plants here properly, full water, and keep it in semi-shade for 1 or 2 days. And then after 1 or 2 days just keep it in open sunlight. You see around 3 to 4 inches upper side is vacant. And after 6 months I will be again putting some soil. And one thing you must remember, you don't have to add much of the fertilizer. After 6 months you may add 1 to 2 fistfuls of this fertilizer compost, and that would be nice. So this is the plant. Now I am showing you some of the growing caring tips, and you have to under direct sunlight. Around 3 to 4 hours a direct sunlight is enough, but if you are growing in this garden there won't be any problem of some sunlight. So 3 to 4 hours sunlight and occasional watering, and in once in a 6 months 1 to 2 fistful of any kinds of compost is enough, and you don't have to add any of the chemical fertilizer, nothing. So this is all for growing thuja in containers or pots. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the garden tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.